Hi, this is Dollar Day Trader, my trading recap for Wednesday, January 15th, 2020. So today was a good trading day from a sense of a good setup, risk reward, and so forth. And it was actually pretty short. My live trading, I was pretty much one and done, which I normally, I'm within, if I'm trading well, I usually am done within the first 5 or 10, 15 minutes of the trading day. But in this case, I was lucky enough to be done in about 2 minutes or 3 minutes here at 9:32 after we went through the opening. So I traded Target, which had a really good catalyst. They reported soft holiday sales, which seems like could be a trend as we go forward with the earnings and so forth and guidance coming out. So the stock was gapping down in the pre-market. So from about 125 to say about 117 approximately. So that was good. It was nice nice action. So we had some opportunity to take advantage of it and with some strong volume. So here I noticed, I was looking at the pre-market, it's kind of hovering up and rejected, but it's kind of coming back from lower lows. As you see here, the drop from the previous day. So it's kind of slowly ascending upwards. So here I look at the first minute and I saw rejection. It touched VWAP and just got rejected. So I did feel confident. This along with I'm trying to look at more at the time and sales. Looking at the time and sales, I just saw a lot of buying, which I'm still getting used to time and sales. By all means, no expert. So I'm just trying to look at it and be patient, kind of see if it's confirming one thing. So first was the rejection of VWAP real quickly in the 1 minute. I mean, just kind of bounced back really quickly. And then the next minute started and you kind of see it building up. So I took a long position around 117, let's say 70. Stop loss, moving averages or VWAP. And then you had a 50-day moving average as well in the 1 minute here. And then I just quickly scalped. So I went in at 117.70. Took some partial at 118, let's say 05, 118.33, and 118.57. So that was that. And I took small share size, like I'm planning to the rest of this month. It's really just about practicing setups and getting just used to, hopefully down the line, larger share size and fewer trades, which I have a tendency to overtrade, as I'm sure a lot of beginning traders. So really just trying to try to be disciplined and try to just be patient, even though the first 2 minutes doesn't seem like patience, but I really was just focusing on I think 2 or 3 stocks I was in my watch list, but mostly I knew Target because of the name recognition and the such a drop pre-market. So I thought it definitely was a good stock in play today. And then later on I trade in Sim. And this is just practice, like I had been practicing in simulator after I've done my live trade, and I've been kind of careless even in simulator. But then I've been practicing setups and whatnot, so I shouldn't really care. But then I'm like, well, you know what, I probably should care a little bit because I don't want to get the habit of over trading, even if it is simulator. And it's after my live trade, I still want to have that discipline in play, test stuff out, but be disciplined in my testing, if that makes any sense. So I was trying out my knife catching skills here, and I really don't take reversals very often. But here I saw it kind of descending, and like I said, I was looking at the time and sales. I was going to see, is this going to break down? If it does, great. I'll look for a pullback and potential reverse ABC pattern potentially. But then I kind of saw it stagnant here. You see the volumes above the little average line here picking up, so it could be just end of selling. And then you see this, indecision doji, and that's usually sometimes probability-wise a chance for reversal, and you saw a decent volume relative. And then I took a long position around 116, let's say 80. And my stop loss would have been below this wick right here, so 116.55, so about 25 cent stop loss. Then I took some partials, 117.08, 117.16. So, and then I really thought I was going to come near my break even, so I just sold the rest of the shares, but I got in around 116.81, but then look at this. It never got below my stop loss, so I really should have held on longer. And then it got all the way up to, look at that, almost like 118. So that's something to keep practicing on down the line to kind of see how that plays out, because that would have been a really nice risk to reward setup. And I normally don't do reversals, so yeah, I went up to 118 and then some. So I'm also was working, so I was really glad to be done early so I could just kind of go back to my normal 9-to-5 job, if you will. But I did trade a little bit longer, but this is really, I really was, going to break even. And then, too, I just had to get back to work. But, done within, 15, 20 minutes, and really done between first 3 minutes there, which I know that's not always the case. But I do appreciate the volatility. If I can get a good read on it with confirmation or a sign here with the volume, the touch of VWAP, and the time in sales, and maybe level 2, which I didn't see anything particularly in level 2, but maybe my eyes just couldn't catch everything all at once. So I got to keep practicing, kind of glancing. I know I got my time in sales. This isn't my setup here when I'm trading my laptop, but it's pretty much right next to it at level 2 there in the montage. So hope everyone had a good and green day today, hump day, which is exciting. We got a couple more trading days, and hope everyone does well, finishes the week strong. Should be able to trade the next 2 days, but we'll see. Work can be unpredictable at times, and just have to take what I can get as I'm still in learning mode, of course. So hope everyone has a good day and has a good night, and I'll talk to you tomorrow.